Do you know about the nature of political science? If not, in this 1 minute, I will tell you about it. People are social creatures who have many needs, such as food, shelter, warmth, and safety. To meet these needs, they live with others and sometimes compete or have conflicts. One important problem is how to organize human activities and relationships in a way that satisfies these needs, promotes cooperation, and prevents conflict. If this problem is not addressed properly, it can lead to disputes, anarchy, misery, and poverty. But if it is solved properly, it can result in peace, plenty, and progress. To regulate these activities and relationships, societies need institutions, laws, and people in positions of authority or power. Political science is the study of such politically organized societies, political systems, or states. It examines the political process and the people who govern themselves. It uses scientific methods to study political affairs and events.